Join us to do the river trekking. Here's Gabriel Sherrod and the same old people.
Old face.
Old face and here's a new face.
Oh yeah,
Here's a new face in our vlog. So there are guide LT. Oh, okay, sorry, LT. Entry ni biar orang tidak nang khala. So kucingnya daun lah.
Are you there? Oh. We have to go down now because he's not coming up.
Okay, so yeah, I know. I'm just showing the view from here. So we will just go down now. This is a split rock.
The first jackfruit tree I saw in Christie Hills. So we are heading towards the, what do you call it? And at the beginning of...
Okay.
Oh, there's a gate over here. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not humid
So good.
here.
Oh man, it's so cool over
Yeah,
here.
very cold.
So good.
Very chilly.
Yeah.
Dark. See, it's dark.
Oh, me.
Yeah, rock to ngay lang. Chuna rock. Yeah, bonni jatuh rahul headphone. Kaman katingin na. Tapi tak lah. Bonni jatuh apa? Iba po. Ah, bonni naman. Yeah, napangin nga.
Yeah, hi.
Hi. Wow, beautiful.
1 kilometer, take picture, and sometimes you have to sit and take picture. That it's take time.
Oh,
Just
pasang po.
leave jumping.
Oh, that one is there, na?
Is it your first time for river trekking?
Take a picture.
Wait, this like this is.
Or if you want to take photo up, you can give me your phone. Yeah, please.
Oh, we still have to go up there.
Yeah.
Uncle.
Yeah.
Come down, Andrea.
Chalo, hi.
Okay. Oi, ba?
See you on video or anything.
We're tak ni kam aci yang ingat split rock ni jadi cici.
Let's go. Come on. Do it.
It's not easy peasy.
Come on.
We can do it. Hang saya ngah biar take hak senak kat mau deh.
Take a video.
Kau sakut deh lah.
Okay.
Tahu saya aku tuang kan? Saya tahu tuang kan?
Yeah.
Today is my day. Years ago, earthquake at na hindi man saya because split ang hanalo ya rokra. Katakan naman kayo, so beautiful. Lat hai. Like dekat kepau na kangkang. Wow. Ya makan yang.
Yeah. We are enjoying this spot.
Turn this side. You can hold this rock. Yes.
You can hold it.
We got this is how we roll. Guys.
Nice.
Rock.
Yes, it's my turn. Yeah.
Hi. Chalo. Woo! It seems like we're in the... If I was Spider-Man, no, I would do it for you guys.
Yan din ka trekking between the split rock here in Meghalaya.
Yeah, we are friends with that one.
How many minutes more left?
Đó con giặc chèo con là tuồng cái nào.
Over, right? On and yes.
Oh, this is not the end of the track. We still have adventure.
Yeah, we still have about. Bye. And oh, there's another. Or here.
Or here kia.
Look a baby.
So, aro tao ya khoi tuang khoi gan.
We were taking this GoPro.
Oh yeah.
We have
Yeah, back then
because we have to go for a little bit.
So we'll go for here.
Come on.
This is fun. Yes.
No. You just put one step down. Put one step here.
Tarzan!
I'll take one for you.
It's good for you guys. Not for us.
You guys did you see how strong man? You just hold it like this.
Bro, do shake his mom. And they kick.
Who said I cannot?
Yeah.
I don't know. Somebody save me.
Yes, LT's idea, so LT will save her.
Only for rappelling. We can do, yes.
Wow, rappelling ka ano no match.
That's entrance.
Wow. See. I always want to try something or the other that is dangerous.
Come on, if you can do it. Come on, Felix.
Oh, wow. I will get you.
I did it.
Good. Well done.
Let's go.
No, banana itu.
Hi, baby. It is.
This is natural. This one.
Two, three, but don't fall. Oh, it's nice though.
Loosely.
Yeah, Shillongi makre. Yeah, Shillongi makre. You know the meaning of makre? Monkey. Sana.
Like that!
He's got a long hair.
Thanks!
And keep.
This is much na. Can see. Skip paket ina naman. Careful ina naman. Daon kapag ko na lang naman ko na piniro at. Kasni. Oh.
I should have taken this. Yeah, for second, the one now. Now I'm wearing the good one.
Yes.
I should have changed that one.
Oh.
Yes, hold here. You don't know, babies are so fishing.
Beautiful passageway.
Ja, not me so what can previous lah. Oh, ko tuna ko lang yan. See.
Crawl like a baby. Crawl like a baby.
Woo.
Drama
Afda. Paano yung katpahinga? Ko tuna.
Crawl like a baby.
We are keep man and woman here.
Okay,
Oh, yeah, I remember.
Sorry.
Ay, nang knee.
Upside down.
Don't care about my hair now. Care about the split.
Oh, you know what's that? That's Batman. Oh, that's rattlesnake. When they make rattlesnake, no, that one, no? Come on.
Let's move. Let's keep moving.
Yeah.
Oof. Finally, sokchok. The exit nakba. Yak mukhi bas nga. Masuk papa. It was fun. Yep, it was fun. And this is the end of the Spilt track. The other river track. Go.